All right, so this is the rectangular prism that I had behind my back. And let's just write down the dimensions right now so we're all clear. The length is 6, the width is 5, and the height is 3. Okay, Jocelyn, can you describe what your group decided was the volume of this rectangular prism? And why?
The volume we decided was 90 because we multiplied the length by the width, which was 30 because 6 times 5 is 30, and then we multiplied 30 times 3 the height, and we got 90.
And why does that work to just multiply those numbers? When you do 6 times 5, what is that giving you?
That's giving us one of the layers.
That's giving you the number of cubes in one of the layers. And what happens when you multiply that by 3?
When we multiply it by 3, we're counting up all of the layers in the whole prism. So that's how we get the whole volume.
Okay, so how did Jocelyn get the volume? Would someone repeat that? How did Jocelyn's group get the volume? Go ahead, Cedric.
She did, can you repeat how you got the number 30?
I did the length 6 times the width, which was 5, and I got 30.
She multiplied the length and the width, and she got 30, and then she did 30 times 3, which is the height, and got 90.
I have one more student repeat that for me. Go ahead, Niall.
She multiplied the length and the width, and she got 30. And then the height was 3. She did 30 times 3, and it got 90.
And Cecilia, why does that work? Why does it work to do 5 times 6? What does that tell us about this prism?
If you do 5 times 6, it's one of the layers.
Absolutely, it's a number of cubes in a layer, and then?
And then if you do the same thing with the second layer, it's a second layer. And if you do it on the top, it's the third layer.
Okay, so by multiplying it by the height, you're including all of the layers to count the number of cubes.